Today on Embedded Marketers, we're going to be talking about video. I'm Pat Hopper, president of Open Systems Media, and I'm here with
Barbara Quinlan, Associate Director of Product Marketing at Open Systems Media.
And together we're the
Embedded Marketers.
All right, today we are talking about video. Thus we're all here, and thus I've got my cool new toy that I'm playing with
Ooh,
for video.
Toy?
Yes,
Show
so
us
we got
that toy.
video. Yes, very cool. Great for trade shows. I got it at Embedded World. So I'm excited to play with it a little bit more at hopefully if we have some events coming up in Q3 and Q4. But we all know, what we know about video is one is content is king. The most powerful button on the web right now is the play button on video. And the other thing is that the more technical the video, the better. So engineers are out there, especially the young ones, are just craving video. So
agreed.
Without further ado, Barb, 3 types of videos that you and your company should be looking at right now. Number 1, off to you.
Yep, the first one is the how-to videos, and these offer the great balance between the spoken content with the visual. We recommend focusing on that problem solution format that we're always preaching, and it lets you be the hero because you're gonna provide additional details on your site.
Good.
What's the second one, Pat?
I'll take that.
All right.
Number 2 is product demos. So make sure they're try to get them under 5 minutes in length or under. Quick explanation of your product. Sometimes you can think of take it out of the box, power it up. That's a great idea for a product demo. Back to you for number 3.
Okay, and the third is the small, snackable, bite-sized videos that are great for social media. These should be like under 30 minutes is kind of that sweet spot. Granted, you have up to 140
30
seconds. 30 seconds. What did I say?
30 minutes.
30. Oh. I meant 30 seconds. You want it to be narrow and focused, educate, entertain, but keep it short. 30 seconds.
Good. Yes. So we've got 2 really cool video options that we have. And one is the Embedded Dev Kit Weekly. The other one is the Embedded Toolbox. So yeah, we're going to put the links below so you guys get a chance to check out what we're doing. Really cool stuff with video. Dev kits, we take them out of the box. Embedded Toolbox, we cover tools and problems that today's engineers are encompassing right away. So without further ado, that's it for us for this week's edition of Embedded Marketers. And
Thanks,
again, if you have any suggestions on what you want to see covered, make sure to leave them in our suggestion box. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.